Hey everyone! Welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to update your Reddit profile, change your display name, and set a new profile picture, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. In the search bar, type reddit.com and hit search. Step 3. Once Reddit opens, click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Step 4. Tap on View Profile. Step 5. Now press Update Settings. Step 6. Click on Profile from the options. Step 7. Tap on Display Name, type your new display name, and press Save. Step 8. Next, click on Avatar and choose Select a New Image. Step 9. Select your photo from your computer, open it, and press Save. Your Reddit profile is now successfully updated. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more simple and smart tech tutorials. See you in the next video.